With HA4i, Shield provides the ability to audit profiles between two systems. Using this audit, we can check if a profile is missing, has a mismatched password, or contains different profile data. Taking option 7 from the auditing menu, we will clear the previous auditing data and ignore UID and GID settings. This is because UID and GID values are set by the systems and will most likely not match between the two systems we are auditing. For this demo, we will not repair any profiles in error, we will just view the errors. Finally, we will generate the Nagios map for monitoring purposes. Taking option 8, again from the auditing menu, will list any profile errors that were found. As you can see, there are currently 4 profile errors, all related to NG4i. As a demonstration, we can go to the target system and force a new error with work user profile. Now when we run the audit again, we can see the change for C heard has been picked up and is listed as an error. We can repair this profile by taking option 1 to synchronize the profiles. As we can see here, the profile on the target system has been changed. In the next video, we will demonstrate how to audit the IFS. See Auditing IFS content for more instruction. Thank you for following along.